In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a company knowledge base with Notion in just 5 minutes. Setting up a knowledge base using Notion is a fantastic way to keep your team organized and informed, and it's much easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First, head to your connected workspace in Notion, which is where your wikis, documents, and projects will all come together. If you haven't signed up for Notion yet, you can do so on their website. It's a powerful tool, especially for collaborative environments. Once you're on the Notion homepage, you'll need to log in. If you're already familiar with Notion, you know this involves clicking the Login button, which will take you to the login portal. There, enter your credentials to access your workspace. If it's your first time, Notion does guide you through setting up your account with helpful hints and tips. After you've logged in, navigate to the Notion home. This is your command center, a place where all your projects, notes, and workspaces are centralized. Having everything in one place not only saves time, but also cuts out the chaos of searching for what you need. Now let's search for company knowledge. This is a crucial step. It directly leads you to any pre-existing framework related to a company knowledge base. In case it's not there, don't worry. We're about to create one. With Notion's variety of templates, you don't have to start from scratch. Choose a template that resembles the structure you envision for your knowledge base. Notion offers a comprehensive library designed for different needs, whether you're a large corporation or a small team. So take your time browsing until you find the one that feels right. Once you've selected your template, click on Add. This action imports the template into your workspace so you can start customizing it. Notion allows a remarkable amount of flexibility here, so you can tweak your new knowledge base to reflect your company's unique working style and the needs of your team. Now comes the fun part: editing the template. Begin by personalizing sections of the template with your company-specific information. Add sections relevant to your business, such as guidelines, procedures, and policies that everyone should have access to. Being thorough here will pay off later, as your knowledge base will become a go-to resource for everyone in your company. By following these simple but effective steps, you've built a dynamic company knowledge base using Notion. Your team now has centralized access to valuable information, making it easier to share knowledge and stay aligned. Remember, keeping it updated and organized is key to its effectiveness. And there you have it, your knowledge base set up in just minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.